I'm actually on the way to a specific PC place because you guys saw my last video about this Unreal Engine and the whole scene I did with Unreal. I didn't mention there saying that my Mac Mini is pretty decent to do all these things, but it's only up to a point. Like if I'm gonna extend the scene, if the scene gets bigger and bigger, like the Mac Mini is not able to take it. It's getting like too slow. There was this one good store which had good deals, so I'm just going there now just to see like how the pricing is and everything, and if there's any deals for Black Friday now. So yeah, hopefully we get a good PC. I'm gonna continue doing like all these Unreal stuff in the PC if I buy something today, so that I think it'll be better, like it'll be faster, and I wanted to use like ray tracing and all those things, the RTX stuff. So I am looking for RTX PC. So let's go and see like what we find there. Let's go.
Windows 11 is already installed. Use the Wi-Fi, and you can see this brand new build. And for the liquid cooling, you see you can mount it here.
Yeah. A board or
Gigabyte.
a gigabyte?
Yeah, gigabyte.
I will actually go home and unpack this and show you guys what is the specs and everything. So far it's good. I think this should be good for Unreal and everything. I did get a RTX one, but let's go and open it up at home. So it's a pretty good PC actually. I think it's a good deal for the specs which it has. The brand is called Segotep. It's not the entire brand, I'm just talking about the brand of the case. Not the best PC, but it's a decent PC, so I think we should be able to do enough Unreal stuff on this. So let's open this up now. I did actually go there to see another PC which they posted on Facebook, but eventually I ended up getting this because this was I don't know, it was a better PC than the one which I saw. Mostly had to do with the processor because that one had a older processor than this. Let me open this up and then I'll show you guys, like I'll tell you guys like what is the specs of this. This one is DP cable, so DP, and then I have the power cable, and then I have the HDMI. So just these three here. And yeah, this is the case from the Segotep. It's called that's the brand of this case. I haven't heard this brand before, to be honest. It's nice, looks decent, like it's not too fancy or anything like that. It has a nice color to it. To start with the specs, this has i7, Core i7 9700, which is the 9th generation, which is not, I know it's not like the latest because right now we have like 13900, I guess. So this is like probably a 4-year older processor. So, but that's the thing, the price which I got this for makes sense. But 32 GB RAM, it has gigabyte motherboard with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. RTX 3060 i 8 GB. So I think that should be enough for pretty much like even for playing games. I guess it should be pretty decent enough to play any game or do all our Unreal stuff in this and 3D stuff in this. It has 3 fans on the front, RGB fans, and also has a fan on the back and a fan on the cooler. It's not water cooled, it's just a regular normal one. It's a very small setup, but we don't really need like this big of a case for this. I think that's the only thing. Probably we can even do like a smaller setup, but that's the good thing too, we can always expand this. So in case I want to change this to a water cooler, we have like this entire space on top, where we can attach the water cooler, and that's like this is like the vent for the top, and we can also add like other stuff. We can add a bigger GPU, and we have this entire space free for other stuff. If you're going to do like a complete water cooling kit, like with the tank and everything, this should be good for that. And yeah, we have like two 16 GB Corsair RAM inside, so it's 32 GB, and we have like 1 TB SSD, which I don't think it's going to be enough for me, so I need to buy some extra storage for this. Again, we have the Wi-Fi antennas, and we have like 4 USBs, and actually we have 6 USBs and a LAN cable and the standard things for audio. And on the GPU we have 1 HDMI and 3 DP, so I basically connect like 4 different displays to this, but I'm going to use just one display. And on the top we have the power, the reset button, headphone and mic, and 2 USB 3.0 ports. So we don't have any USB-C or anything like that, but it's the case. That's a good thing about buying a PC, so at any point we can always upgrade different components, including the case. I think for the price point this should be good enough. Shouldn't give any problems with whatever I'm gonna use. Forgot about the power supply. This has like 650 watts. I'll definitely show you guys how I'm setting it up. So guys, after like 1 hour, I pretty much changed the entire setup. I basically need like 3 inputs now, but my monitor only has 2. I still have my Mac Mini. I have to eventually sell it. So till that point, I'll probably have my PS5 in the bedroom. Yeah, the same desk. I just moved the monitor to that side, and I kept the desktop here. Like I had other options. I thought of keeping it on the floor, but the thing is, if I keep it this way, there's like 2 good things. One thing is there's the airflow, which will go out, so the heat will go out. And the next thing is, if I want to connect something like behind, it's very easy for me to connect it. I have USBs on top here, but mostly, if I want to connect something or change something, I can always just, it's very easy to like connect and disconnect, rather than like keeping it on the floor and then going under and doing all that. My wall is on the left side, and most cases, like, they keep the glass on the left side, so I cannot keep it on that corner. No, there's no point. I did most of the cable management. You cannot see any cables except for the steering wheel there, because I removed that. It was on the desk, so I'm just gonna, I set it up in a way so that whenever I'm gonna use it, I can just put that in and play. So other than that, yeah, there's no other cable except for this ring light. Ready?
So pretty.
And I can show you guys. Yeah. And most of the cables are like here behind the monitor, so we don't actually see anything. And we have like a nice display here. So yeah, it looks nice. So go inside, log in, and then do some benchmark testing and install Unreal Engine and see like how everything works. So I'll show you guys that too. So I think, yeah, it's good for now. Setup is good.